Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check SmartQ firmware, and your computer OS so transfers will work. Insert the SD card firmly until you feel the click. This ensures proper contacts and avoids read errors. Next, connect the reader via USB-C or the correct adapter and watch for the power LED. Once done, open your file manager so the device mounts quickly. This gives you immediate access and lets you spot permission prompts. If the reader is bus-powered, make sure the host port supplies enough current. Once the card is mounted, locate the mount point or drive letter to confirm a healthy connection. You can drag and drop files or use a copy utility. Choose one that verifies checksums if data integrity matters. Preserve the folder structure to keep applications and photos functioning properly. While copying, avoid interrupting power. The reader buffers data. After transfers finish, use your operating system's safe eject or unmount command to flush caches. This prevents corruption and ensures the SD card is ready for removal. To finish, safely eject the drive, remove the SD card, and power down the reader if it has a power switch. This avoids accidental writes. If the card isn't recognized, try another USB port, swap adapters, or test the same card in a camera to isolate the fault. Once you find access, run your OS disk utility or chkdsk to repair minor file system errors. If corruption persists, make a full backup image and use recovery tools. That preserves recoverable files before attempting risky fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.